Hey guys, my name is Christina Morrison, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to whiten your yellowed Air Force One shoes or any other pair of sneakers that may have yellowed on the soles. I picked up these Air Force Ones from the Goodwill for like $5.99 a few weeks ago, and I was desperately trying to figure out how to get these soles whiter. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos that were recommending buying this product off whatever website to get them white, and I was like, I just need an easy tutorial that uses household products because I'm not about to buy something. So after watching what seemed like hundreds of videos, I figured out a way that I thought might work to whiten these shoes without buying any product offline. So that's what this video is going to be: how to whiten your shoes with household products that I have here, and this is how I did it. These shoes, I've already whitened them twice now, and I'm going to whiten them a third time using this method today to show you how it works. Now you have to know they're not going to get white in one bleaching or one whatever, you know. It's kind of like when you dye your hair. If you've ever gone to a hair salon and they dye your hair, if you're trying to go from, like, you know, my color hair to platinum blonde, you just gotta, you know, lower your expectations. It's not gonna happen in a day. And same thing with these bad boys here. They're not gonna go from yellowy to like pearly white in one cleaning. So
what you need to get started.
All you need is some sort of cleaning product that has bleach in it. You can even use bleach itself. I just recommend diluting it a bit and then mixing it with some baking soda in order to create a paste that you'll be able to apply to your soles of your shoes. Another option that I have here that's a household cleaning product is Barkeeper's Friend. This is a powdered bleach. Mix it with a little water, turn it into a paste, apply it to your shoes. Another option, soft scrub. I found this in the kitchen. My mom uses it for cleaning, and it just happens to work very well for bleaching or lightening my soles of my shoes. So you can whiten your shoes using any household cleaning product that has bleach in it. You just gotta apply it to the soles and then wrap it up with saran wrap and let it bake in the sun for an hour or so, and just repeat that process for a couple of days or so, and that should lighten your shoes. Like I said, I'm gonna be using this soft scrub bleach. I think this stuff works really good. I'll link it down below if you want to go out and buy it, but you don't really have to, because I am fairly certain you use some sort of bleach cleaning product at home.
So the first thing you want to do is grab your product. I'm using the soft scrub bleach I was telling you about earlier, and then you're going to go ahead and apply that to your shoes, and go ahead and be generous with it. You're going to then spread it around using your toothbrush. Just be careful not to get it on the upper part of your shoe. If it happens to get on the bottom like it did here, don't worry about it. You can bleach the bottom of your shoes too. It'll be fine. Next, you're going to want to wrap your shoes in saran wrap. The purpose of this is to help lock in the moisture so your soles don't get dried and cracked out in the sun. It also helps the bleach not transfer on any other surface. Now that they're all wrapped up, it's time to go place them in the sunshine where they can bake. Let your shoes sit in the sun for about an hour and rotate them every 30 minutes just to make sure that both sides get the same amount of sunlight.
1 hour later.
Now that they've sat in the sun for an hour, it's time to rinse off the bleach and see what we're left with.
Alright, so here is the finished product. As you can see, the soles are significantly wider than when we started. There's a little speck there. Of course, I need to bleach the shoelaces and get them nice and white also, but yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope that it was able to help you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.